the smell of that beautiful exhaust.
Look at the spring loading on the landing gear, so when it got light on the skid there, it came down.
Did you see how much this lady weighs?
75 pounds.
It's almost as heavy as my left leg.
Come on, Frank, make the joke that's the same weight as me. Come on, I know you want to do it.
He does. He really does.
Once again, Bryce Watson from both Florida and New Jersey. Wow, it's such a cool profile coming straight on. It's like a landing spotlight in the front too. That is a pretty helicopter. The Snow Tiger scheme. Once again, Heli-Factory Eurocopter Tiger. Oh, even we got the reflector. There's got a light on the top on the radar above the rotor. Got flashing lights on the gun turrets there. Literally every pass, every time it comes around, I see more scale detail. So again, make sure you go down and check out the scale guys down at the west end of the field. If you're interested in getting into scale, they're the ones to talk to. They know they can get you started from really no matter what your budget is, they can get you going.
Do we have anybody in the audience? Is there anybody what y'all think about this? What do you think you can put your hands let it break? What do you think? Let us know you like what you're seeing here.
Yeah, let's get Bryce.
All right, come on. How often do you see something that big and that beautiful in the center stage of the flight line of IRCHA?
I mean, let alone IRCHA, how often do you get to see something that big and that beautiful in general? IRCHA's the only place you're going to be able to see it, right?
Period and correct. Yes, sir.
That's why you got to come out, and again,
yeah, make it a regular occurrence.
You see an IRCHA board member, make sure you tell them you enjoyed what you saw, give them their feedback. I know they're looking for feedback, both directions.
I know some of them could use a hug.
Frank's not a board member. I know he can use a hug, but he's not a board member. So.
I already gave him a hug.
Yeah, me too.
All right, AJ, you're next. Come on. Let it out.
Look at that. Look at all the detail in the cockpit. Right now, guns are pointing right at me.
What's that thing up on top for? I guess that's for aiming the artillery or something like that?
I don't remember, honestly. It may be for that, maybe some radar stuff. A lot of the different ones have different stuff on there. I know Apaches have a couple different things on there as well.
Maybe a jammer or something?
Could be. Looks like it has some sort of vision kind of stuff in there.
things don't have a single blade fold. The blade that has a lot of the bigger birds have got like two.
Yeah, so there's no lead lag in there. The lead lag comes from something else in the head. It's kind of crazy that it's so tall that the fire extinguisher is very effective. Fire extinguisher is taller than I am. Ladies and gentlemen, let him hear Bryce Bronson all the way from Florida with the Eurocopter Tiger from Heli-Factory.
Crowd goes wild.
And again, one more